this video, I am going to show you how you can download GTA San Andreas on your laptop or PC. So, first of all, what we need to do is head over to a browser and then search for Rockstar Games. Once we search for Rockstar Games, click on Rockstar Games right here. After that, once you are on this page, go to the top right corner, click on the search icon, and then search for GTA San Andreas. Once we do this, as you can see, GTA San Andreas is listed right here. Now this is one of the sources from which you can download it. So this is one way to download GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop. The other way would be to head over to Steam. Go to the search bar again, search for GTA, and once you search for GTA, as you will notice, GTA San Andreas is right here. Click on it, enter your date of birth, and once we click on View Page, just simply click on Add to Cart. Now what you want to do is click on Continue to Payment and then purchase GTA San Andreas. And that's it. Subscribe, it's free.